Hello, and welcome to the Lippert Technical Institute, your go-to place for comprehensive RV education. We're constantly updating our content and refining our resources to keep you up to date with the latest RV insights. Our mission is to assist you in broadening and enhancing your understanding of RVs. Now, let's explore the key takeaways from our video content over the past month. Our first update from the Virtual Productions Department can be found on the Lippert YouTube channel and is something a tech will want to add to their skill bank. This video is how to perform cylinder bypass on a Titan hydraulic leveling jack, where you can follow Charlie as he performs this procedure and gives you insider tips from our world-class training. The second video highlight comes from our Lippert Technical Institute channel. We released the first of many tech tales. This tech tale stars our technical trainers, John and Aaron, as they share their takes on electrical shenanigans, how not to get shocked. Now off to do a little light reading with Monica.
The highlighted documents this month showcase how comprehensive Lippert's innovative product range is and the diversity of our documents produced by tech pubs. Some documents are more technical, like the luminous, solar-powered, retractable awning that turns any outdoor space, residential or commercial, into a comfortable place to relax or entertain. Some of our documents are less technical, like the Glass Rinser Owner's Manual. This product automatically cleans the inside of glassware in your home or RV.
We've got a few more in-person training events coming up for both RV owners and technicians. If you're an RV owner looking for in-person training, check out our RV owner schools. These engaging 3-day schools offer hands-on training where you'll explore a wide range of Lippert products. Customize your learning experience by selecting the courses that matter most to you and your coach. Our next session is scheduled for the end of July, so secure your spot today. If you are an RV technician looking for in-person training, we have opportunities for you as well. We will be in Jacksonville on July 23rd and Tampa on July 25th for lecture-based seminars on a few different Lippert products. In early August, our team will be in Denver, Colorado for a 2-day RV technician seminar on the 6th through 7th and our first ever utility trailer technician training seminar on the 8th. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of the Tech Institute and our ever-helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. We look forward to seeing you there.